ating hashtag
Pala Award Live Awarding! Yes, tama po kayo. Sa inyong narinig, mga ka-followers, mayroon po tayong hashtag live awarding ngayong araw.
Kung saan po live na live po nating makakasama ang kinatawan ng
Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards for International Women's Day 2026.
Kasama po natin si Direk
Rom
Rom
Burla.
Good afternoon, all the televiewers and the multi-awarded public servant and leader. Okay, pabalik-balik na ako dito. Anyway, this is the most difficult selection of winners because this is in celebration of the International Women's Month. So all Filipinas, all over the world were being considered. So the first thing we did, may list kami ng 50 people, 50 women achievers. So we had CEOs and other from different fields na pina-choose namin ng top 30. And then ang top 30, may judges na.
Oh, wow.
10 judges who selected the top 16.
Wow.
Okay, so from 50 to 30 to 16. And the first 5 and the first 6 to 16 were awarded as Woman of the Year. 1 to 5 were awarded International Woman of the Year.
Wow.
The 5 women who made it to the top 5 are First Lady Liza Marcos, International Star Leah Salonga, Vice President Sara Duterte, Professor Clarita Carlos, and the Chief Public Attorneys, Persida Acosta, for her exceptional, profound impact on the community and unwavering dedication to the empowerment of the Filipino people. This award recognizes her as a beacon of excellence and a true testament to the strength and grace of a modern Filipina. Hindi lang yan, meron pa to. So, this symbolizes the top 5 winners of International Women of the Month. Congratulations,
Wow.
Chief. Survey na yan, it's a sign that 2028 is something else. Di ba?
Wow.
So, ito survey to nung una, and then selection. So, voting. Bakit nag-top 5?
Yes.
So, meaning to say, bakit hindi mag-senador?
Yun pala.
Yun ang pag-select. So, congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you po, Direk Rom Burlat. At talagang tumataba ang aming puso dito sa PAW dahil yung aming hirap at sakit ay mayroong nakakapansin looking at a distance or something far away but nakikita yung sakripisyo ng public attorney sa office. Siyempre, isa pong karangalan at napakalaking karangalan. Glory be to God, International Woman of the Year. Salamat po, Direk. Nakakaiyak naman, Direk.
Very deserving.
Oo nga, nakakadiyak. Nako, baka isang araw may pelikula na tayo. Si Direk ang direktor. Ano?
Ay!
Wow! Why not?
Witness kayo lahat,
mangyari.
sirs, at saka mga ano,
Marami nag-o-offer pero
the true to
tignan
life
natin,
story
baka
of
po.
Chief Attorney Persida.
Yes,
Di ba?
correct.
Sige po, thank you po.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Si
God
Direk.
bless.
Maraming salamat po.
Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards. Congratulations po, Chief!